partnership with Surfers Healing and with the support of our commission, we celebrate the spirit of belonging and accessibility that enhances our city.
This is our very first Adaptive Beach Day. This is probably the coolest thing I've ever seen. A bunch of surfers out there volunteering, and it's so great to have you guys now partnering with us as a city sponsoring it.
This idea started with this lady right here who made it a point to make appointments with her commission and pointed out that we could do better.